I want to thank the 250 people who flew out to Curbside 2026 to make it the best wash and fold and pickup and delivery conference ever. I knew we were onto something special when on Wednesday night we had a cocktail evening, 2 hours from 5 to 7, and the people stayed until about 9 o'clock. Even after the drinks were stopped serving, they stayed for an extra 2 hours and sometimes a lot longer because the group of people was just so fantastic. These are the go-getters in the industry, the who's who, and it's just a phenomenal crowd. The vendors were talking about how great everybody was. One of our vendors ran out of business cards and brochures on the very first day because the turnout was splendid. One of the attendees said, "This is the best conference we've attended. The speakers were excellent. They covered a wide variety of topics, all based on real-world experience. And rather than simply presenting talking points or theory, they shared practical, actionable advice that we could take back and implement in our business. And that's really what it's all about, is a lot of learning. Like, for example, Joe Dan and Kelly Reed's talk, I took down so many notes. And if I implement these lead magnets at our laundromat super suds, we're going to make extra thousands of dollars every single week. Carlos Ochoa shared great information as well. All of our speakers did. Like, one example he gave was he looked at his numbers and he's using AI to analyze the reports that he exported from Curbside. And he found that if he changes one KPI by 11%, he's going to make an extra $60,000 a year. And what is that? If you get somebody who's ordered once to order a second time, and if he increases that percentage by 11%, he's going to make $60,000. So, and he just went on and on, all of our speakers did, with actionable information that you could take to your laundromat and make more money. Another person said, "I think the structure of Curbside 2026 was perfect. I've been to many other industry conferences, and this one was the best." And it wasn't just Joe Dan and Kelly and Carlos Ochoa who brought it. All of our speakers brought it. Every single one of our speakers got top-notch reviews. For example, Alex Bloom talked about emergency services that's helped him bring in 6 figures. And he talks about how he got those clients and how to get them to spend more money. Another one was John Teasley, who went in depth, real-world experience on how he's grown his commercial and scaled his commercial wash and fold business. I think everybody had so many takeaways from them. Craig and Michelle from Monster Laundry, they just talked all about branding and how to elevate your brand so people remember you. You want to be memorable. And they went into a lot of specifics on how, from logo creation to what your brand represents. Dom and Charles Measley went deep into marketing. I mean, they are Suds Digital, so they know all about marketing, and they shared their behind-the-scenes stuff. Whether you use them for your marketing or not, they shared information that you need to be doing online to build awareness and make sure customers are coming back, because it could cost you like $500 per customer acquisition. So if you get a customer, what are you doing to get them to increase their spend and coming back and becoming a regular customer? Remember, this business is all about retention, and that's a common theme you saw with our speakers, is how you get these loyal customers to be loyal and keep coming back. It's great when somebody spends $100 with you, but if you turn them into a loyal customer, they'll be spending thousands of dollars per year. And Andrea Carney, wow, did she just rock it? I mean, she's with Talk Dirty Laundry, and she built the laundromat from the ground up. And you know how she started? With 4 washing machines and 4 dryers, and she was doing pickup and delivery, grew that business, used the proceeds to build a self-serve laundromat. Now she has 2. So just an amazing success story. Dave and Carla Menz, amazing. People were raving about their talk, about how they price for profits, because if you don't take that into consideration, you could be losing money on every order, and they reversed it. They taught you how to make money on every order. And Cami, the laundromat girl, wow, she was so inspirational. She shared real-world experience on how she gets these commercial accounts. I mean, the information was golden, and we're already seeing wash and fold conferences that are stealing our information, taking the exact topics that our speakers just brought. And they're going to be sharing this information in other sources, but we want you to see the original, because these are the brainchilds behind each speaker. We didn't just pick the topics. We found the speakers with real-world experience, and they had the topics. And we did a bunch of dry runs to make sure that they're sharing the nuggets versus just saying, "Hey, look at me." So the quality of the content was phenomenal. We want to get these speeches and these talks into your hands, because if you see these videos, you see these talks, you're going to make more money if you implement this at your wash and fold and pickup and delivery business. So we're working hard to get that into your hands. Thanks again to everybody who made Curbside 2026 a rocking success. And if you'd like to see the wash and fold and pickup and delivery software, Curbside Laundries, that's helped make so many of these speakers and people in the crowd successful, go to curbsidelaundries.com and request a demo.